Select the major product of the following reaction. We will first decide what we are reacting. So our starting material is an alkene. The alkene pi bond is a nucleophile. We are reacting it with molecular chlorine, which can act as an electrophile. We also have water, which is the solvent for this reaction, and it is also a nucleophile. The first step in any reaction of an alkene with either chlorine or bromine is going to be the formation of the cyclic halonium ion, in this case a chlorinium ion. I am going to skip drawing the mechanism for the first step and just draw that key intermediate. So here's the structure of the intermediate, which is an electrophile. So this electrophile can react with a nucleophile in solution, of which we have two. So the two nucleophiles that we have are the solvent, water, and the chloride ion that's formed when we make this intermediate. In aqueous solution, that chloride ion is fairly surrounded by water molecules and not as available to be a nucleophile. Also, since water is the solvent, we have a large excess of water relative to anything else in the solution. This is our most likely nucleophile. Then we need to decide, where is that nucleophile going to attack? Of these two carbon atoms, we would expect that we have the greater positive charge on the top carbon atom. And it's a partial positive charge because of the dipole between the carbon and the electronegative chlorine. Because of that, this is where we expect that our water molecule is going to attack. The water molecule should approach from opposite where that chlorine is and break this bond. So we will end up forming a halohydrin from this. So halohydrin means a halogen and an alcohol. We expect that the alcohol will be on this more substituted carbon atom and the chlorine on the less substituted carbon atom. We also expect that this water will approach from the side opposite the chlorine, meaning that they will have a trans relationship between that alcohol and the chlorine, which means that the answer is D.